Welcome back. This video is going to be a little bit of some organization on customizing your lesson planner and your gradebook view. Some of these tips were mentioned in the first video that I did for our in-service day today. So this view is your main view when you come into Genesis. It's your teacher summary. You can customize this by renaming your classes so you know what they are. You might want to rename them by block or by the actual class, ELA, grade 7, grade 6, whatever. And you can do that just by clicking that rename button. And the other thing that you can do here is you can hide classes that you're not currently having or seeing. You can check off classes here like this and then click the binoculars to get rid of them. They will be hidden. To see classes that you have hidden, simply click off this little guy here. Your page will refresh automatically and you will see classes that are checked off in blue. Those are classes that you have hidden. To hide them again, simply uncheck that little box. You can customize your lesson planner a little bit as well. If you go to Lesson Planner and Lesson Books, you can customize that calendar view a little bit more. So you have classes right now that you can hide if you don't want to see them, just by unchecking that box there. You can also color code your lesson planner calendar so that you maybe want to see your red day classes in maybe a light red color. Your blue classes, maybe you want to make them a bit blue in color. And this you can do just here from using these boxes here. It says back and font. You can change background color and font color. So again, this would be a red day class or a white day class in this case. And if you get a color that you really like, you can just simply copy and paste it. So it's all the same. And this is going to, again, customize that calendar view. So here's our red day again. And then when you get to the bottom, you just want to make sure that you click the save button to save all the changes that you have made. And when you go into your lesson planner calendar, this is where you're really going to see those changes. You're going to see that some classes are red day and some classes are white day, and this makes it just a little bit more color coded. You can also organize the way that these are seen here in your lesson planner. Simply go back to Lesson Books, and you're going to change what's called the Sequence tab here. And your Sequence tab, you can make your classes visible by just renumbering them here. So maybe you want to do 1, and 4, because this would be my white day classes. So you really have to just figure out the order number that you want them to appear in. Maybe 2 and 3. And then again, just don't forget to hit that save button. And I'm going to show you how this is going to work, because you're going to have to go into your setup to change that next thing. So you are going to go Setup and Preferences. And instead of period right here, if you can see where I'm at here, Order Lesson Books By, change it to Sequence. And that's going to change your order. Before you hit that Save Preferences button, you can also determine, if you don't know this, how many lesson books and courses you're viewing. You may want to view all 6, or maybe you only want to view 4. Click Save Preferences. So you will see that once I come back to my lesson planner and the calendar, that my red day classes are first and my white day classes are second.